Hello everyone, welcome on my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to draw a girl with afro hair. We are starting off with a circle and from there we will draw the chin. Because she's looking from the side, we have to draw a dent to show where the cheeks are. So be very careful with that. For the neck, you don't want it too small, but you also don't want it too big. It is easy to figure your own way of drawing a neck. The shoulder is a half circle and very easy, just one line actually. This line helps me to see the position of the head so I can place the ears and locate the eyes later. So I'm drawing the eyes between the ears and the dent of the cheek, after that the nose and the lips. Mostly I draw the wankies after I draw the eyes, but now I feel like I can draw them at last. However, the hairline is like some kind of half circle, so I want the shape of the head a bit like an oval half circle thing. While drawing an afro, it's important to draw around the head, and you can start from under the ears to the shoulders in a circle way. I often like ponytails with afro, but yeah, I know those are not really ponytails, but I just call them ponytails. I just keep calling them. To give the character some more details, I draw the arms, and those arms don't have to be a straight line. On the other side of the body, I draw the other shoulder. So if you're happy with your sketch, we can draw the outlines a bit thicker. But it's not necessarily, because we're already gonna draw it with a black pencil or stift. But it's just my way of drawing, and that is what I'm gonna show you. I like to put some more details, so I'm drawing baby hair, and as you can see I have drawn wimpers on the eyes, and made the wankies a bit thicker. Now that we are ready with the sketch, we can draw over it with the black pencil. And I think it's called line art, but I'm not sure, but I'm just calling it line art. And that's how I make my drawings. Okay, when you're sure you have drawn everything, I never have drawn everything on the paper. But however, when you're sure you have drawn everything, you can erase them. And when you see some parts are missing, like how I have done with the ear, for example, you can draw it over again. It's not like the pencil is fully gone. I like to draw the banana more detailed. Yeah. Alright guys, we are almost ready. We just have to thicken those lines, which causes an effect on your drawing, and it makes it just very beautiful. I like to make those patterns to make sure that it looks more like an afro, and it's not hard to draw, so are just some really weird things you do. We can start coloring it in now, and if you want you can do the shading. I often do shading, and I usually don't draw with pencils but with watercolors, but this also works fine for me. Yeah, it's not that hard. For the banana, I like the color red. As for the lips and for the cheeks and a bit for the eyes too. I don't know why for the eyes, I just felt like eyeshadow and shit. Alright, so this is my way of drawing a girl with afro hair. And I hope you like it, and I hope to see you very soon. Bye!